2 raisins.
You do got 2 raisins. Hey, did you see the fish?
Yeah.
What's his name?
Goodness.
What is it?
Huggy.
He's hungry? Yeah.
It's huggy?
I don't know. You tell me, dude. He is? Did you give him a name yet? What's his name?
Kevin.
His name is Kevin?
And there's Kevin right there.
That's Kevin?
That's a good name.
Aw, I like Kevin. Hi, Kevin.
Hey, Kalal.
Ooh. Don't scare him, though. Don't move too fast. He's so small, and you're so big. Say, oh, no, don't scare him. Say, I'll protect you, Kevin.
I can touch you, Kevin.
Do you like the name Kevin for your fish?
Ah!
Don't scare him, dude. Seriously.
Kevin.
Don't scare Kevin. He's just a little guy.
Just a little guy.
Do you love Kevin?
Look, this is coming.
Oh, that's Kevin? What do you say to Kevin?
Shush.
No, you scared him.
I said what?
Yeah, don't do that, please. You gotta be quiet around Kevin. He gets scared, he's just a little guy. So tell him you love him.
I love you, Kevin.
Oh, good job, dude. Alright, go play with your brother.
I want you, Kevin.
Oh, you wanna sit with Kevin? Okay, but no more scaring him, okay? That's not nice. You just tell him that you love him and give him small little kisses. Good job. Careful, dude. You can't do it that hard, okay? You have to be very...
How about we just blow him?
You have to be very gentle.
Blow him.
No, you hide this.